Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Apple dual USB-C port, and it's a 35-watt power adapter. As we are in Europe, you can see that the power adapter is a little different from the US market, maybe other markets too, but this one just has the 220 connector and then two USB-Cs. So let's flip it around and you can see the box contents basically is just the adapter, no cables as far as I can see. Let's open it and see what's actually inside of this. So open, there's some manual in there, more paperwork in there. Not much for obviously a power adapter, just some safety measures. And then here we have the power brick and the plug, and there's nothing else in here as far as I can tell. Let's just break it open just in case, but nope. Nothing else in the adapter. Very nice little cardboard box, but all we get is this power brick and the plug of the region you are in. Comes wrapped with this nice little paper annoying thing. Let's remove that all the way. There it is. And then this one also comes with this sticker origami thing that actually doesn't do half of what it's supposed to do either. I don't know how to break it, or it's annoying. So there we go. Basically, that's all you get. This obviously can be just plugged in, and now this would be our power adapter. As like I said, USB-C, both ports, so you can charge your iPad and your iPhone, or your Apple Watch and your iPhone, or iPad or computer with 35 watts. This is a nice thing because honestly, I've been traveling a lot and you have to be taking two if you want to charge at the same time. This should solve that problem with a bit of a bigger brick, but you know, you save in taking two bricks. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.